Hello guys, welcome back to the Communicators. This is Pulkit Maheshwari and today I have come up with two great job opportunities. First one is from WIPRO and second one is from AutoDesk. So do not miss these. And also I would like to request you, if you are new to this channel, kindly go through the content of the channel. You will definitely love it. We regularly post off-campus job updates and also give interview preparation strategies along with interview experiences. And for now, without wasting much time, let's get started.
So guys, this is the job application portal of WIPRO. Here I will tell you what is the job profile, the job description, eligibility criteria, qualifications required, selection procedure along with the CTC. The link of the job I will give you in the description. You can apply it from there. So to register for this opportunity, click on this register now button. You will be redirected to this page. Here you can see that this is an Elite National Hunt 2022. So 2022 batch can only apply for this position and it is a wonderful opportunity for them. So moving further, you can see that the job function is engineering web software. CTC will be 3.5 LPA. Here is some description about the company. You can read it out very carefully. Now talking about the registration for Elite National Talent Hunt 2022 will be open from 23rd of August and the online assessment will be tentatively held between 20th of September to 25th of September. Coming to the eligibility criteria, you must hold at least 60% in both 10th and 12th and also 60% or equivalent CGPA in your graduation. And your graduation must be a full-time course. No part-time or correspondence or distance learning education in either 10th, 12th or any degree will be allowed. Year of passing will be 2022, so strictly follow this. Talking about the qualifications, you must hold a BE BTech degree, ME MTech 5-year integrated course. All branches allowed except fashion technology, textile engineering, agriculture and food technology. Designation is project engineer. Compensation, I've already told you, there will be a 1-year service agreement post joining at 75,000 on pro rata basis. Other criteria will be 1 backlog will be allowed during the time of assessment stage. Offer will be subject to all backlog being cleared. So you have to clear all your backlogs to get the offer. 2022 max 3 years of gap in education is allowed. Should be a full-time degree. All areas and backlogs need to be cleared at the time of selection. Candidates who have participated in any selection process held by WIPRO in last 6 months are not eligible. Should be an Indian citizen. Bhutan and Nepal national need to submit the citizenship certificate. Now coming to the selection process. So firstly, there will be an online assessment. So here is the structure of the online assessment. It will consist of aptitude test, which will be containing logical ability, quantitative ability, English ability, and the duration will be 48 minutes. Written communication test, essay writing duration 20 minutes. Online programming test, 2 programs of coding duration 60 minutes. Candidate can choose any of the programming language for coding, that is Java, C, C++ or Python. The last date to apply is 15th of September. So do not miss this date. Online assessment will be tentatively held between 20th of September to 27th of September. So after clearing the online assessment, candidates will have to go through a business discussion round. So if you clear this round, you will be going to a business discussion. Here is the workflow. First you have to fill the application, then online test and then business discussion. And then you will be given an offer based on your performance. So I believe this is a very good opportunity for 2022 batch. So do not miss it, and more such opportunities will be coming in the future for 2022. So stay updated with us. Also, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel for regular off-campus job updates and also for interview experiences along with interview preparation strategies. So guys, this is another job opportunity from AutoDesk. The link of this job I will give you in the description. You can apply it from there. Here I will tell you what is the job profile, the roles and responsibilities, the qualifications required, the location, the application procedure, and at last I'll tell you what is the CTC which is offered by AutoDesk for this position. So here you can see that the profile will be software engineer and the location will be Pune, India. Here is some overview about the position. You can read it out very carefully. Here you can see that the job is posted 2 days ago, so do not miss it and apply as soon as possible. It is a full-time opportunity. Talking about the roles and responsibilities, you have to design, implement, test and maintain features for Fusion 360 based on stakeholders' requirements. Write technical design documents, participate in design and code reviews, develop estimates for task and document code. Work with an extended team of software developers, QAs, and product designers in the US and other worldwide engineering sites. Talking about the qualifications, you must hold a bachelor's degree in CS or other engineering discipline. C++ course work and project. Outstanding performance, debugging and problem solving skills. Ability to work well in a team to deliver on team goals. Familiar with design patterns and strong OOPS concepts. I have made a dedicated video on OOPS, you can take a reference from there as well. Knowledge on DS algorithm and STL. Excellent verbal and written communication skills in English. Experience with C++ in a professional capacity. Familiar with cross-platform, experience with Scrum methodologies, mobile and browser development experience is a plus. Ability to learn large software systems quickly. Now coming to the application procedure, you have to click on this Apply Now button. After clicking on this Apply Now button, you will be redirected to a Workday page. There you have to upload your resume, fill some basic personal details, fill your experiences, some voluntary disclosures, and then you have to review your application, and after reviewing you can submit your application. Now coming to the most important aspect, which is the CTC. So AutoDesk is offering around 10 LPA for software engineer position. So I believe this is a wonderful opportunity for 2021 batch. So do not miss it and apply for this right now. All the very best and thank you.